Hi guys, this is me, Jonavee, and welcome back to Makeup with Jones. In today's video, I'm not going to do a makeup tutorial, but instead I'm going to show you how I color my hair using a crepe paper. And it's very affordable, like it's below 10 pesos. I have here one in the color orange. I bought it at around 7 pesos and 50 centavos. So guys, I'm going to show you how I transform my hair. This one into something like this one here, like this one. Please take note that this is only effective to those who have light hair colors, just like mine, and to those who have undergone bleaching. Yeah, so this one will really work well on those kind of hairs. So if you have a dark hair color, I recommend you to not do this because it is only a waste of effort and money. So let's start. These are the things that we need. So there are only 4. First is the crepe paper, next is the gloves, and third is the hot water, and the 4th one is the basin. Of course, we're going to put it in the basin. So guys, I have here my basin. Well, this is not a basin, but this one will work. So first is I'm going to divide this into 4. We're going to put it here and lagay natin dyan. Next guys is we're going to pour a hot water. My t-shirt into black. Okay, so I'll be right back. Guys, using our gloves, we're going to this one is good enough, guys. This is not too hot anymore. So I'm going to soak my hair for about 5 minutes, and after soaking my hair, I'm going to wash it. Already since I soaked my hair. This is the result of my hair after soaking for 5 minutes. This is what you can see. The color is really orange. Another reminder guys, this color is only temporary and it will last for 2 weeks based on my experience. So definitely it will go back to its original color before we dyed it using the crepe paper. So I'm going to let it dry and let's see the difference. So guys, I'm back. So this is the final result. So my hair turned out really orange. Well guys, you can try different colors like blue, green, red or something. It's up to you. Well, it's a matter of choice. Well anyways guys, I'm going to end this vlog. That's it for today guys. I hope you enjoy watching this video and I hope you love the result of this one. So if you're new to my YouTube channel, please consider subscribing and also click the notification bell so that you'll be updated for my next video. Thank you so much for watching and see you on my next one. Bye now!